And let me share some data because I think since this is the like only Japanese exposure that we can have here, so let me just share what's really happening in other parts of Asia, mostly East Asia and Southeast Asia. So this is actually what I brought from the web. So the red area, actually more people lived in the region. So for example, China has 1.3 billion population. India has 1.2, maybe more, not that much counted accurately, but maybe more. And then Japan has 130 million population, and Indonesia has 240 million population. So actually, pretty much dense area, and then Asia, then those consumer-related e-commerce businesses really happening there. And this is another number. It's actually global internet users from Asia. Asia have 46% of total connected internet users. And then Europe has 22%, North America having 12%. So as you can see here, a large potential in other parts of Asia are also laying down and coming up. And here, but also still only 27.5%, the number of last year, is the internet population. And then the large number of population are not that connected yet to the internet, so that we can say that we have a huge business potential, again, laying down in the future. And this is a number that I actually showed last year. So the blue one is actually the Amazon as a global GMV, the total transaction volume of Amazon, making over this year, last year it's about like $60 billion. And then eBay is making more or less the same, about $60 billion. But the red one is actually Chinese giant, Taobao. Taobao started in the year 2003 with a C2C freemium model. And now they are adding this Tmall B2C in the year 2009. And then making over, it was the year 2011, but last year they counted as $200 billion GMV, which eBay plus Amazon plus some others, but it cannot reach to Taobao. So this is actually how the population is important for this kind of consumer-facing market. And then, since Turkey has a large population, so I'm pretty much bullish and optimistic about this market for this kind of consumer-related businesses.